In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Furnace Evolution in Clash Royale. Now, the first thing what we need to do is unlock the Furnace card. So first you need to have that Furnace card unlocked in your collection. It becomes available at Arena 5, which is Spell Valley. Then from there, you want to go ahead and get Furnace Evolution Shards. So evolutions are unlocked using evolution shards specific to the card. You can obtain them from a few different ways. So your special evolution events and challenges, your season pass, which is Pass Royale, evolution chest, shop offers and magic items, wild shards that can be converted into specific shards. Then from there, unlock the evolution. So once you've collected enough Furnace Evolution shards, which is typically 6 shards are needed, you'll be able to evolve the Furnace card. Now you can use that Furnace Evolution in battle. So when added to your deck, you'll see the Furnace with a glowing blue border. In battle, it works like a normal Furnace, but with evolved mechanics, stronger fire spirits, and better spawning events.